Bark on barbecue meat refers to the flavorful, caramelized crust that develops on the exterior during the cooking process. This bark is highly sought after by barbecue enthusiasts as it not only enhances the visual appeal of the meat but also contributes to a depth of flavor and pleasing texture. The bark is formed through a Maillard reaction, where sugars and proteins on the surface caramelize and create a rich, savory taste. Achieving a perfect bark requires skillful cooking techniques and attention to detail to ensure a mouth-watering barbecue experience. When aiming for a delectable bark on your barbecue, choosing the right meat cuts is crucial. Opt for cuts like brisket, ribs, or pork shoulder that have a good balance of fat content and connective tissues. The fat melts during cooking, basting the meat and contributing to the bark's flavor and moisture. Connective tissues break down slowly, adding richness and tenderness to the bark. For beginners, starting with forgiving cuts like pork ribs can help hone bark forming skills. Understanding the meat's composition is key to achieving that perfect bark that will elevate your barbecue game. Seasoning and rub techniques play a vital role in developing a delectable bark on your barbecue. Dry rubs and seasonings are used to enhance the flavor profile of the bark while creating a savory crust on the meat's surface. Pro tips for creating the perfect rub include using a balanced mix of spices, sugar for caramelization, and salt for depth of flavor. Marinating techniques involve allowing the meat to absorb flavors overnight, tenderizing it and infusing it with complex tastes. Mastering the art of seasoning and rubs is key to achieving a mouth-watering bark that will impress your guests. Smoking methods are integral to bark development in barbecue, infusing the meat with rich, smoky flavors while aiding in the formation of a caramelized crust. Temperature control is key to achieving the ideal bark, as low and slow cooking allows the bark to develop slowly, ensuring a perfect blend of texture and taste. Different wood options, such as hickory, mesquite, or applewood, offer varying flavor profiles that can enhance the bark's overall taste. Understanding smoking techniques and temperature regulation is essential for crafting a barbecue bark that is bursting with flavor and aroma. Wrapping meat during the cooking process helps retain moisture, accelerates the breakdown of connective tissues, and enhances the bark formation. Resting the meat after cooking allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a juicy and flavorful end result with a perfect bark. Patience is paramount in achieving an irresistible bark on barbecue, as rushing the cooking process can compromise the texture and flavor development. By understanding the benefits of wrapping, resting, and exercising patience, you can elevate your barbecue skills and create a mouth-watering bark that will leave everyone craving more.